morning everyone, myself Hemalanda. I am studying in class 5th. My model name is Rocket. A rocket is a generally space vehicle. It is shaped like a long tube. A rocket is used to launch spacecraft. Spacecraft is a space that traveled in a space. A rocket is a powerful and effective invention of science. It is a vehicle or device used for space program. Rocket can control space because they carry own oxygen tank.
Good morning everyone, myself Pujita from 10th standard. I am presenting you all the LVM, which is known as Launch Vehicle Mark III. It is developed by Indian Space Research Organization. It plays a crucial role in India's space program and it is developed to carry heavy payloads into geostationary orbits, low Earth orbits and many more. It carries 4,000 kgs into geostationary orbits and carries 10,000 kgs into low Earth orbits. It has three stages. The stage 1 consists of two large rocket solid boosters to provide its initial thrust, and stage 2 is powered by Vikas engines to develop it into the space. And the stage 3 uses cryogenic propellants, which is liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen for high efficiency. Now let us know about some achievements of LVM-3. It has launched Chandrayaan-2 and India's one of the biggest milestones, Chandrayaan-3. It is also used in commercial purposes. It was known as GSLV Mark III, but the name was changed to reflect its capabilities in a better way. It is also known as Bahubali of rockets because of its strength and capability. It represents India's technological progress and its ambitions in space exploration. It also inspires future generations to dream big. Thank you.
Myself, Gayatri, I am going to explain about the Mars Orbiter mission. It is also known as Mangalyaan. It is India's first interplanetary mission launched by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Mangalyaan made India the first Asian nation.
My name is Dinesh Shetty. I am studying in 9th standard. My model is probability. Probability is possibility. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of random event. The value is expressed. The value is expressed from the 0 to 1. The probability of the event that cannot occur is 0. The probability of the event that must occur is 1. Probability theory has its own roots in the analysis of games of chance in 16th century Italy and in 17th century in France. The meaning of the probability is the extent to the which the likely events are happen. There is a probability to getting a numbers, and for example a coin. There is a probability to getting a head or tail. We toss it 2 times. There is a probability to getting head and tail, head and head, tail and tail. If you switch on the right, if I'll keep in the number 4 and we'll off the light, if it falls in 4, it falls in 0, we lost the game. If it falls in 4, we win the game. This is the probability according to the numbers. Thank you.
Myself Vaishnavi from 9th standard. This is the Max Laboratory kit. These are the magnetic discs. This is the hollow cylinder. This is the solid figures. This is the sphere. This is the conic section, hyperbola and parabola. This is the cube. This is the angle sum quadrilateral. These are the net figures. This is the square. This is the spiral square root. This is the similar triangles. This is the trapezium, rectangle, square, cubic. This is the cube. This is the single triangles. This is the spheres. These are the spheres. Hemispheres. These are the hemispheres. This is the spiral. This is the spiral square. Thank you.
Myself, Ashar Pradha. I am studying in 9th standard. My project is spiral. Third spiral is often known as square root spiral, Pythagorean spiral. It is used to the right triangles of consecutive numbers. Third spiral is often known as to demonstrate that 3 to 17 are irrational numbers. At the terms of root 17 is a last hypotenuse number of the theorem. Thank you. Yes, sir. ಇದು ಪಿನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಎ ಬಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ರೂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Myself Tejashri, my model is types of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, a closed figure bounded with 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. There are six types of quadrilateral: square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. In trapezium, there are two types: isosceles trapezium, right trapezium. Kite. Square. All the sides are equal. Each angle measures 90 degree. Diagonals are equal to each other. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Each angle measures 90 degree. Parallelogram. A pair of opposite side is parallel. Opposite sides are equal. Rhombus. In rhombus, there are two. In rhombus, all the sides are equal. All the sides are parallel. Isosceles trapezium. Opposite of non-parallel sides are equal. Another pair of unparalleled or non-equal. Right trapezium. One of the angle measures 90 degree. Another pair of parallel sides are equal. Kite. It is a it, it is a quadrilateral with the exact two pair of consecutive sides. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. One of the diagonal bisect the other.
Myself, Pallavi is from 8th standard. My model is about squares, and the square is multiplied 2 times is known as squares. And 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. And 6 square is equals to 36, 7 square is equals to 49, 8 square is equals to 64, and 9 square is equals to 81, 10 square is equals to 100, and square root of 100 is equals to 10. Thank you.
Myself, Mahati and Reddy. I am going to explain about MaxPark. MaxPark model is a physical model that can be used to teach math concepts in a fun and interactive way. It is a large scale way physical models such as parts of circle, Pythagorean theorem, factor tree, graph, and the vertical lines are opposite together, and law of exponent shapes, algebraic identities, and types of angles. It provides opportunities for students to become more mathematically aware and capable and confident. And it provides interactive installations, puzzles, games that promote mathematical thinking and problem solving. The formula is a factor rule written with mathematical symbols. Thank you.
Myself, Sanjana MS. My model is about xylem and phloem, food and water connective tissue in plants. Xylem. Xylem. The basic function of xylem is to transport water in plants. The word xylem is derived from the ancient Greek word xylon, meaning wood. The term tissue was introduced by Carl Nageli in 1865. The basic function of xylem is to transport water and soluble minerals in plants. Xylem contains xylem parenchyma, xylem sclerenchyma, xylem trait sheets. My next topic is about phloem. Phloem. Phloem is the food connective tissue of plant. It is the second type of transportive tissue in plants. Phloem contains phloem parenchyma, phloem sclerenchyma, sieve cells, sieve tubes, sieve elements, companion cells. The word phloem is derived from the Greek ancient word phloas, meaning bark. The term phloem is introduced by the Carl Nagel in 1867. Once the phloem is damaged in the plants, there will be no transportation of food and soluble compounds in the plants. The phloem is located in the axis of plants, then it is called as protophlloem. Thank you.
Layers of soil. There are different types of soil: topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. Topsoil. It is made up of thin particles, sand, and clay mixed with organic humus. Subsoil. Bedrock slowly changes into subsoil, small bits of rocks. Bedrock. It is formed large pieces of rocks deep inside the earth. Thank you. Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 is Indian third lunar mission, launched on July 14, 2023. Launched vehicle JSLV Mark 3rd LVM-3. Landing date August 23, 2020. Landing site near the moon, South Pole. India became fourth country to achieve soft landing. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alina Riza. I am studying in third standard A section. My model is about digestive system. The process of breaking down the food into smaller particles that can be absorbed by the body is called digestive system. The human digestive system helps us to digest the food. The process of digestion intended from the mouth. A body system is a group of organs that works together. A human body is a group of organs that works together. Human body has 11 body systems. The digestion of food starts from the mouth and helps to break down the food. Thank you. Immune cells. Immune cells is another hand of the human body. The production of sperms, gametes, and sex cells or the eggs. It's produce the daughter cells. This is the prophase. Pro means start, phase means stage. Zygote, and a pair of chromosomes and homosomes. Spartina, a package of chromosomes thickness, division of nucleus. Thank you.
My model name is PHSK. The P stands for potassium. It is a Greek word, and H stands for hydrogen. So 0 to 6 it is a acid solution, and 7 is a neutral solution, and 8 to 14 it is a alkene or a base solution. Uh, it is a litmus paper. So it is a acid, it is a neutral, it is alkene. So we will dip this. It is a lemon water. So the lemon water shows 1. So 0 to 6 is a acid. So lemon water is acid. And so it is a pure water. It is litmus paper, so does not change its color. So it is belongs to neutral solution. So it is a serve water. It shows 8. So 8 to 14 it is alkane. It is also called as basic solution. So that's it. Thank you.
Myself, Zoya, and my model is human internal body organs. Human internal body organs are the organs which are located inside of our body and are not visible from outside. There are some main internal organs that are brain, lungs, heart, liver, pancreas, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and kidneys. Brain. The brain is a complex organ that controls many functions in our body. So we should get enough sleep and take care of any brain problem. Lungs. Lungs is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. We should not smoke and do inhale and exhale of oxygen daily. Heart. It pumps the blood throughout our body. We should be physically fit and maintain our body weight. Liver. It filters the blood in our body and breaks down the poisonous substances like alcohol and drugs. We should maintain a healthy lifestyle and exercise regularly. Stomach. It is a muscular organ that helps us to digest our food. We should drink a lot of water to maintain our stomach healthy. Kidneys. It removes the waste products from the blood and produces urine. We should we should be active, and if you smoke, leave it as soon as possible. Pancreas. It is an organ of digestive system and endocrine system. We should eat lot of grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. to keep our pancreas healthy. Large intestine. It absorbs the salts and nutrients from the from the material that has not digested as food and get rid of waste products. Eating well and not smoking can keep your large intestine healthy. Small intestine. It absorbs the water and nutrients from the food so that the body can use them. We should be active and drink a lot of water, which keeps our small intestine healthy. Thank you.
Hi, good morning to everyone. Myself Purviar, I am from 8th standard. My model is about heart. Heart is a muscular organ in our body. It maintains physical fitness among the body. Heart. The parts of heart are 10 parts. Alora, vena cava from upper body, vena cava from lower body, right atrium, right ventricles, left ventricles, pulmonary veins, pulmonary arteries, septum. Now here I am to explain about the parts. Alora, large, the large, this is known as the alora. The large trunk of the large trunk of the artery that maintains blood from the circulatory system. Second part, vena cava from upper body. Vena cava is the major part of the circulatory system. Right atrium, it is the one of the part of the heart. Left atrium, LA, it is the crucius part of the another heart. Septum. Septum is the wall of tissues that separates the right and left sides of the heart. Thank you.
Today's my project is about Rutherford atomic theory. When the light passes through this, the scattering of it happens. The radioactivity source passes through a gold foil sheet, which is thicker as the 1,000 atoms. The scattering of it happens through this process. The thin gold foil is the main process. Rutherford who is the scientist who discovered this project. Is this is a scientist who discovered this project in 1429.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Bhavita. I am studying in 7th standard. My model is different types of teeth. We have two sets of teeth during our lifetime: milk teeth and permanent teeth. Milk teeth starts between the age of 6 and 7 and stop around 12. Permanent, there are 32 permanent teeth in adult human beings. There are four different types of teeth: incisors, canines, molars, and premolars. Incisor, they are flat blade like this. They are used for cutting the food. And next is canines. The canines is present either side of the incisor. They help us to biting the food. And next is molars, and these are present either side of the canines. They are help us to crushing and grinding the food. And last is premolars. These are ends in upper and lower jaws. This appears after the 18 years. These two pairs of teeth is known as wisdom teeth. Thank you. My model is the layers of the Earth. Earth is composed of several distinct layers: crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. This is crust. This is the outermost layer of the Earth. It is like a skin of an apple. Uh, it is relatively ranging from 5 to 7 kilometers. This is the second layer of the Earth, mantle. It is located beneath the crust. It is the thickest layer. It is extending about 2,900 kilometers. Mantle is mostly solid but reacts like a viscous fluid. Due to the intense of heat and pressure, it is responsible for Earth's tectonic plates. Core. It is divided into two parts: outer core and inner core. Outer core. This is a liquid layer composed primarily iron and nickel. In the inner core, it is the solid sphere at very center. It generates the magnetic field of Earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Punit Raju. My model name is Smart Transportation. Transportation is a system where the people, goods, services were exporting from one place to another place. In transport system, three types: land transport, water transport, air transport, road transport. It links with district and villages roads. It is important for farmers and schools, students for because they move in vans and etc. Water transport, it exports items from one country to another country, and also whatever it is important for the goods it exports from. Land transport in another type is road transport. It is very cheap and best quality to it carry more peoples and goods. Air transport is most costly to it is export peoples and luggages etc from one country to another country. Thank you.
Myself, Chaitrika. I am from 4th standard A section. Today I am going to talk about one of the most sacred and beautiful temple in India, the Kedarnath temple. The Kedarnath temple is located in the state of Uttarakhand, high up in the Himalayan mountains. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is just not a temple but a symbol of faith, beauty, and strength. According to Hindu mythology, the temple was built by the Pandavas. The temple is open to the generally public only between the months of April and November. In Kedarnath temple, Lord Shiva has been shown in the shape of a pyramid. Thank you.
Myself, Saiveshak Deer. My model name is Hampi Chariot. Hampi Chariot was built in Dravidian style. Two elephants are pulling the chariot. Two elephants are seen pulling the chariot. Hampi is located state Karnataka. Hampi is one of the most beautiful historical seats in the history of India. Stone chariot was built in 16th century with the orders of Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara Empire. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kushal. I am studying for standard education. Today I am going to talk about zoo, which shows a miniature version of what a real zoo looks like. A zoo is a place where animals from over the world are kept in safe enclosures so people can learn about them, see them and enjoy their beauty. It is also the place where animals are protected. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Navishri. I am studying in 4th standard B section. My project work is early man. Today I want to talk about the tools used by early man women
To hunt animals, gather food, and provide themselves. Their beginning used to stone simple but effective. Thank you. Myself, Ashmita, I am studying 5th standard. Today I am going to talk about the solar system. It is our cosmic neighborhood and constants of the sun, planets, and moons, and other terrestrial objects like asteroids and comets. At center of the solar system comes the sun. The 8 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Myself K.M. Shweta from 5th standard. Today, my topic is about eco-friendly. Eco-friendly means saving our earth. We can see some examples of being eco-friendly in my project. This is known as rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of changing rainwater into clear water, which we can use in our daily life. By using or performing this process, we can save more water, and water is very precious. These are called windmills. Windmills are used to convert wind energy into electrical energy, so we can save some wind. This is called solar panels. Solar panels are mainly built on buildings and homes. Solar panels will convert the solar energy. It means the energy from the sun into electrical energy, and this will not pollute the air. These are called electric cars. Electric cars will not spread air pollution, so it will make the global warming chances less. These are called dams. Dams are constructed across rivers to produce hydroelectricity. And this hydroelectricity is passed to thermal power stations. And these thermal power stations will convert this hydroelectricity into normal electricity, which we can use in our daily life. And with the help of electric wires, this electricity is passed to our homes, and we are using this electricity in our daily life. Thank you. Good morning to everyone. My name is Juveria. I am studying in 5th standard. My model is automatic watering. It is a machine which can make our work easy and fast. It is used by machine and power supplies. If we on the switch, it works as passes water through pipes. So it is called automatic watering machine. It also needs lot of water to pass through pipes. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today I am speaking about climate change. Climate change refers to long-term changes in the temperature, weather, and environment of the Earth. The main cause of climate change in the greenhouse gases. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Divasi. Today, I would like to talk about the fascinant and comparison between ancient and modern life. Life in ancient time was deep, content to natural, realized on agriculture, hunting, etc. Fast forward to today, we'll see the world transformed by technology and globalization in thought advancement in machines, communication, and transportation. Thank you. Myself, Shravi, I am studying in 5th standard. My model name is Layers of Atmosphere. The atmosphere is a blackest of Earth. It is made up of 5 main layers such as terrosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, atmosphere, and thermosphere. Thank you. Water purification. Water purification is the process of undesirable chemical, biological contaminants, suspended solids, and gases from water. The goal is to produce water that is fit for specific purpose. My name is Rachana. Solar energy and use. Solar energy is the power that comes from the sun, which get converted into thermal or electrical energy for daily use at large capacity by various people. Solar energy does not emit any gases or chemicals in the air. Use. Solar energy can be used to cook the food, heat the water, generate the electricity. Furthermore, electrical energy generated from solar energy can be stored in solar cell. My name is Mohammed Ahil. I am studying in second standard A section. My project name is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe. It works by bringing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. In humans, the respiratory system includes nose, trachea, and lungs.
All the parts of the respiratory system work together to keep us alive. Breathing in air is known as inhalation, while releasing in air is known as exhalation. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sreshta GS. I am studying in second standard B section. I am telling about forest. Evergreen forest. An evergreen forest is a forest made of trees that keep their leaves throughout the year and one found in a variety of climates. Example, tropical evergreen forest. Thank you.
Myself, Mohammad Sharizan. I am from 6th standard. My model name is City Life. Urban areas generally refer to cities, especially large ones that are densely populated with highly built out infrastructure. Examples of urban areas are large cities like Bengaluru, New Delhi, and Mumbai. Livelihood, on the other hand, is simply defined as the lifestyle of an individual or what people do for a living. Many towns and cities develop with time with the growth of industries and shrinking of agricultural land. Reasons for city settlements are agriculture to erratic rains, good infrastructure, education and health opportunities, increase civic amenities. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mukund. I am studying in first standard. My model is bird sanctuary. A bird sanctuary is a natural area that protects birds and their habits from threats like hunting and environment degradation. Thank you.
Myself, Dikshit Reddy, I am studying in 6th standard. My model is Supreme Court. Supreme Court of India is a peer judicial body in the country. It is located in New Delhi and serves as the highest court. The Supreme Court authorized and interpret as the uphold the Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, Ritika. I am studying in 8th standard. My model name is Laws of Exponents. Laws of Exponents use of Laws of Exponents is a 8 types. Multiplication power of same basic. Second one, division power of same basic. Third one, power of a power. Fourth one, number of same exponent 0. Fifth one, multiplication base with the exponent. Sixth one, division basic with the same power. Thanks.
Myself, Atifullah Beg. I am studying 6th standard A section. My model name is solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is a natural celestial event that occurs when moon come between sun and earth. There are two types in eclipse: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is formed when moon come between sun and earth. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse is formed when earth come between sun and moon. It is not safe to see solar eclipse with our naked eye. We should use eclipse glasses or pinhole projector. Thank you.
I'm studying in 8th standard. My model name is types of polygon. Before we start learning about types of polygon, there are minimum 3 sides and 3 vertices. For example, triangle 3 sides and 3 vertices. Angle measures 60 degree. Heptagon for 7 sides and 7 vertices. Angle measures 128 degree. For example, octagon 8 sides and 8 vertices. Angle measures 135 degree. Quadrilateral 4 sides and 4 vertices. Angle measures 40 degree. Nanagon sides 9 and vertices 9, angle measures 140 degree. Pentagon 5 sides and 5 vertices, angle measures 108 degree. Thank you.
Myself, Mahalakshmi. I am from 6th standard. My model name is Farming Life. Farming Life is the cornerstone of human civilization, showcasing sustainable.
Myself, Arshita. I am studying in 8th standard. My model name is Volcano. Volcano is an opening in the earth crust that also magma, ash, and gases to erupt from below the surface. Volcanoes spew out dangers that are powerfully destructive. People have died from volcano blasts. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Muhammadi Aksa. I am studying in third standard. Myself, uh, my model is water pollution. Water pollution is a resource environmental issue that affects the health of our planet and living beings. It occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals are dumped into water. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abhijay. I am from third standard B section. My model name is Statue of Liberty. Statues are big sculptures. It reminds us to foreign people. It also reminds our freedom. They stand tall to teach us fairness and equality, right to express ourselves. Statue of Liberty is a famous statue in US.
My name is Shishnu Reddy. I am studying third standard section. My model name is types of horses. For example, anywhere we go on swim, we can put tent house. In igloo, live in Eskimos. In Pacos, many live in Pacos. In skyscrapers, many live. In boat, in Kerala is Kachas in villages. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ayman Firdous. I am studying third standard A section. My model is about weathers and seasons. Weathers and seasons are natural way of showing the beauty to change and rhythm. The seasons are autumn, rainy, winter, and summer. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Myself Afra Manya. I am studying third standard A section. My topic name is rocket launch. It is the process of processing a rocket into the space. Rockets are launched using powerful engines. It is highly complex. Thank you.
Myself Sushmita, I am from 7th standard. My topic is windmill. Windmill is a machine converting of a converting energy that includes turning of a energy. How did that works? Thank you.
Myself Sinchana, I am studying in 7th standard. My model is about biosphere. All the living organisms found on the earth constitutes the biosphere. Our earth is our earth is made up of land, water, and air. Our environment is divided into four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. The first sphere is lithosphere, the sphere of land and the solid outer covering of the earth's surface consisting rock and soil is known as lithosphere, and the second sphere is hydrosphere. The sphere of water is known as hydrosphere, and the third sphere is atmosphere. The sphere of air and the blanket of air surrounding the earth consists the atmosphere. It is made up of various gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. And the fourth sphere is biosphere. All the organisms found on the earth consist the biosphere. It is a narrow zone consisting the lower part of the lithosphere and the upper part of hydrosphere and a part of a hydrosphere where all life forms are found. Thank you.
Myself, Afan Rahman. I am studying in 6th standard. My model name is ATM machine. ATM full form is automated teller machine. It is an electronic device. ATM is a self-service banking outlet. ATM users withdraw money, check balance, and even transfers funds. The ATM have a space to insert a debit card. We can operate the ATM using a debit card. The first ATM installed in London at 1967. The ATM produce privacy service communication. Thank you.
My name is Kiran Reddy from 9th standard. My model name is water cycle. Water cycle is a continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. There are 4 steps in water cycle: evaporation, consumption, precipitation, and transportation. Water evaporates to atmosphere and condenses to form clouds and precipitates back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Thank you. Myself, K. Usual. My model is about windmill. Windmill is used for producing electricity through wind. It comes under the category of green energy. The the place where we found many windmills are known as wind parks or wind power plants. The first windmill was designed in the year 1854 by Daniel Levin. The windmill is a pollution-free source of producing electricity. All the blades of the windmill rotate in the clockwise direction. The
Myself, N.M. Mudigere. I am from
Sixth class, my model is the life in forest. India is a vast country with a lot of forest. There are different varieties of forest in India. To the wind rainfall, temperature, and climatic variables, forests are very important for us. We get supporting things like oxygen, trees, nuts, fruits, wood, medicinal plants, herbs, snails, gum, honey, etc. Awards such as Virishamitra promote the plantation of trees, promote the depressions as well. There are people who live in forest, they are called tribes. The tribals we make of forest resorts for their living, they have a strong sense of unity. Thank you.
Myself, Mumadayan. I am from 4th standard B section. My model name is blood pressure monitor. Blood pressure machine is also known as sigmomanometer. Is a medical device used to measure blood pressure. Blood pressure is the blood force pushing against the walls of your arteries as your heart pumps blood throughout your body. Thank you.